Alright, so next step of this is I'm going to go and create a new layer. There's my new layer. I'm going to drag this new layer below, put the eye out of this one, and I'm going to go File, Place, a linked image. The linked image is the spacing that I found. It's kind of a low resolution. This might not work. Oh, that's actually going to be fine for our purposes. Okay, that's an Option Shift to scale it up in proportion. And there's this. I'm liking that. And then I'm going to do this. Put the eyeball. Oh, I have to place it first. I'd like to place that file, please. And there's my plane in outer space. Okay, now the thing with this is that I want to be able to change the mode on the plane. That's the whole point of this exercise, is to work with the modes. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to duplicate the layer. And I'm just going to name it layer, or I'm just going to say letters. Let's go A. And I'm going to keep this one as the original. I'll just go old school with it. We'll call it the OG layer. There's the A. Right click, duplicate that layer, go B, etc. Now I believe there's 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 24, 25, 26, 27. And I want you guys to create a layer for every one of these modes, and I want you guys to experiment with these modes and give me an example of each one. And what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to bring this into InDesign. That was a problem. I had to have those eyes out, so that I'm manipulating layer B. And there's my dissolve. And so this assignment is for you guys to do that vector mask, and then to go and give me an example of every one of these modes. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drop this into InDesign in a modular grid that we're going to create. You'll have this photograph with a brief description as to what it's doing, what the mode is called, what it does, and you'll have the photograph to the left or to the right, whichever. You'll have a type box that describes each one of these. And that's going to be this assignment. Okay, it's modes assignment in Photoshop. Again, we'll be building a modular grid in InDesign to exhibit and to describe what happened with these modes.